Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel. And markets were trending over here today, right? I really wasn't expecting that markets would trend this much. Like I was expecting that we could take support from, you know, from this zone over here of 45,300 to 200 and then move up. But I wasn't expecting that market would, completely reverse this fall over here, right? Same thing with Nifty also. Nifty, if you see, continue to move up, right? So if you see, you could have now what market did was market opened kind of flat, like I think it was a small gap down. Market went down. If you see, there was a very big red candle, right? But if you see, after breaking yesterday's low, market could not sustain below that low. So after breaking yesterday's low, market made everybody would have started selling, and from there itself market trapped all the sellers and started to move up, right? Yeah, but really, I also wasn't expecting that there would be a momentum like this after such a kind of day where there was good profit booking. But anyways, that is out of question. What can we do for tomorrow, right? Now, if you see market has closed near 46,000, so chances are this momentum could continue on the upside because there is not really much, not a lot of resistance, right? And now we can expect 46,200 to 46,300 to come tomorrow itself, or at least market to, we can expect market to go out till there and then maybe take some resistance. So what can we do tomorrow is very simple. Tomorrow, once we get a 5-minute closing above 46,000, then we can go long from here till the target of 46,200. That will be our first target, and our second target will be 46,300. But our target, but it's best to book all of our profit at 46,200, because if you see, this is the zone where market could take a bit of resistance, then come down, take a pullback, and then again start moving up, right? So we will not, you know, kind of hold our trades for very long. Once the market hits our target, right, we will book all of our profit here and and then maybe market might take a resistance. Market might take a resistance from that zone, right? So again, that is if we open flat and start crossing, right? If we say open with a gap up straight up near 46,200, right, then we can look out for actually taking a selling position over here after we see negative price action in 5-minute chart. Once we see negative price action in 5-minute chart, then you guys can go ahead and take a short position and keep a target of 46,000 first of all, and the second target of 45,900. Since this is the closing, market might take a little bit of support over here and then maybe move down or again move up, right? If we open with any sort of a gap down below 45,600, right, then chances are market could see a very good sell-off from here, right? Market could see a one-sided sell-off from here because a lot of people will get trapped in their long positions if you open with such a big gap down, right? So if you open at any sort of a gap down near 45,600 or below it, then as soon as we see negative price action, we can go ahead and take a short position in the market. Our first target will be 45,300, and then our second target will be 45,100 on the downside, right? Because this is a zone from where the market has broken out, so chances are market will go down till here and then maybe take a little bit of support, right? So that is if you open with a very big gap down. If you open with a small gap down, say somewhere near 45,800, then it's best to do nothing tomorrow. Then maybe market might go down over here and then take support from here and just stay sideways, because market has moved a lot. If you see, market has continuously moved from 44,200 levels to almost 46,000, right? So that's an 1,800 point move. Market has also taken a pullback. So if market waits over here for some time and then starts moving up, right, then only will we get a very good buying, right? But yes, if we open with a small gap down which is anywhere above 45,600, then we'll do nothing, right? Now, talking about Nifty, Nifty hasn't broken out of its high, right? If you see, Bank Nifty has broken out of above its high, but Nifty hasn't broken out. So Nifty still has a good space on the upside. So tomorrow what we can do is, as soon as we get a 5-minute closing above this high, right, of 20,110, then we can go ahead and go bullish from it till the target of 20,200. Do not keep very big targets, right? Because Nifty has also already extended a lot. If you see, Nifty has started to move up from 19,200 and now now it's at 20,100, right? So Nifty has also moved 900 points without any, major pullbacks as such. So yeah, we will let the market, we will only book, we will book our profits at 20,200 over here, right? So once we get a 5-minute closing, we can go ahead and take an entry. Our targets will be 20,200. Do not keep more than a stop loss of 30 points. That's more than enough. And in Bank Nifty, I'd say 80 to 100 points is more than enough, right? On the downside, if we open with any sort of a gap down below this, below 19,970 to 960, right, then we could see a bit of panic selling in the market, right? And so once we start seeing negative price action, then our first target will be 19,830 to 820, and then we can even hold on in Nifty till even more targets of 19,720, because Nifty doesn't really has a good support, right? Bank Nifty has good supports over here on the downside, but Nifty really does not has any sort of a good support, right, till this level, right? So again, if you open with if you open with a gap down, always remember, wait for negative price action to be built. Do not go ahead and short aggressively at the open itself. Once we get negative price action, we'll also get a confirmation that yes, there is panic selling happening in the market. And look at VIX. Look at India VIX, okay? If India VIX continues to rise, right? If India VIX is continuing to rise, that means there is a bit of panic happening in the market, and that means that is, there are better chances that market will continue to move down. And that is if you open the gap down of 100 points or more, right? If you open with any sort of a smaller gap down, then chances are Nifty might consolidate in this range, because there is support on the downside. There is, again, this the resistance on the upside. So what you can do is you can short 20,100 call and 19,950 put, and let it be, right? Because chances are then Nifty might, just consolidate in this range. But the problem is the premiums. If you go ahead and see, the premiums will be completely, they will be very cheap, right? So it really does not make sense to take to short premiums tomorrow, since tomorrow is a Nifty expiry. So chances are you will not get very good premiums, right? So if that happens, then it's best to just take a break for a day, and then we'll see what we can do on Friday, right? If we open a big gap of somewhere near 20,200, then we'll look for shorting Nifty, right? But again, same as Bank Nifty, we will wait for market to create a negative price action in 5-minute chart, and then we'll go ahead and take a short position in Nifty till first target of 20,270, and then the second target of 20,000 on the downside. So yeah, guys, that was it for tomorrow. And as I said, market still has a bit of space left on the upside, both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, there is still the resistance of all-time high, which has not been broken by Bank Nifty, but Nifty has broken it. So yeah, Nifty has a clear path, but on the other hand, Bank Nifty is looking more stronger, right? If you see today also, there is Bank Nifty is up 0.87 percentage, and Nifty is up only 0.38 percentage. So yeah, it's better to focus. It's really, you will have to see the price action tomorrow, right? How is the buying coming in both the indexes, and then you will need to decide which index to trade on, right? So the best way would be, just look at the size of the candles that are being made, right, in both of the indices. If you see, there were big candles being made in Bank Nifty today, right? But on the other hand, if you see, there were big selling candles also being made in Bank Nifty tomorrow. So just look out for the size of the candles that are being made in both of the indexes, right? And that will be an easy guide to choose whichever index you want to trade to. Another thing that you can do is that you can see which index is giving you a better risk to reward ratio, right? So yeah, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. And I'm really sorry for not being a bit consistent. I just have a lot of work in my personal life right now. But yes, I'll try to be consistent from this week onwards, as I used to be. And yeah, that was it for today, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.